Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today's topic is airport immigration, a very important situation for international travelers. When you arrive at a new country, you must speak with the immigration officer. If you don't answer correctly, you may feel stressed or even get delayed. That's why today's video will help you practice real-life questions and answers. Please stay with us until the end because you'll learn not only useful phrases, but also cultural tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you can improve your English every day. Conversation at the immigration counter.
Good evening. Passport and arrival card, please.
Good evening. Here you are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a business conference, and I will also do a little sightseeing.
How long do you plan to stay?
About 10 days. I'll leave on the 12th of October.
Do you already have your return ticket?
Yes, here it is. It's a confirmed booking.
Great. Where will you be staying during your visit?
For the first 3 nights, I'll be at the Grand Hotel. After that, I will move to my company's guest house.
Do you know anyone in this country?
Yes, I'll meet my colleagues at the company office.
Are you carrying any food, alcohol, or restricted items?
No, I only have my clothes, laptop, and some gifts.
How much cash are you carrying?
I have around $1,200 in cash, and I also have my credit cards.
Okay. Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, here's a copy of my travel insurance document.
Perfect. Please put your left thumb on the scanner.
Sure.
Thank you. Everything is in order. Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. After immigration, informal discussion between 2 passengers. That was a bit stressful, but I managed.
Yes, immigration can be scary the first time, but if your documents are ready, it's easy.
They asked about hotel, return ticket, money, insurance, so many details.
True, but those are standard questions. Officers just want to make sure you're a genuine visitor.
I see. Next time, I'll prepare my papers in one folder.
Good idea. Always carry copies of your passport, insurance, and booking confirmations.
And answer politely, right?
Exactly. Polite and short answers are best. Don't talk too much, just give clear information.
Useful expressions. I'm here for vacation, business, study, visiting family. I will stay for blank days. Here is my return ticket. I've booked a hotel at blank. I'm carrying around blank US dollars and credit cards. No, I'm not bringing any restricted items. Here is my travel insurance. So this was day 21, Airport Immigration Conversation. Now you know the most common questions at immigration and how to answer them confidently. Always remember, prepare your documents, stay polite, and keep your answers clear. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this lesson helpful, please click subscribe to Learn English Moments and practice with us every day. See you in the next video.